We are live. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing today?
Good. Looks like we don't have news again. And there goes the coffee pot.
It's our get started alarm. Yeah, it's no news Tuesday. Day before FOMC, I believe.
Yeah.
So that's a thing.
There's a whole bunch of stuff about Carney, Canadian Prime Minister. I spoke to Trump on Monday about Canada's arrangement with China, opportunity to move forward with USMA, MCA.
Cool. Great.
Carney said, I told Trump I meant what I said in Davos, and Canada is responding to the changes in U.S. trade policy. Okay, sure, Trump. For sure, Carney.
Oh boy.
It's a new world order.
I don't even.
All the middle powers need to join together.
I don't know what's going on.
Yeah.
Like we're living in the frickin' Twilight Zone right now.
It's so weird, isn't it?
It really is.
Well, we got one viewer so far on YouTube. Good morning, whoever you are.
So I've been looking at YM. I took a YM short in the pre-market. Managed to get up $68 on a micro, or two micros. I wanted to cut it before market open though, because it's YM and you never know what the hell it's going to do.
I passed one of those accounts yesterday. My TPT accounts.
Nice. Good job.
And
love hearing that.
So I gotta make a copy group of only 4 accounts now. Right? Yeah, that one. Make sure I got this right though. Don't want to touch that account accidentally. 3146. Not in there. Okay. Yeah. Save.
Still got a minute to the open and already orders are showing up on YM.
Below?
Can you hear me?
Yes. Below or above?
Yes.
Both. Pedro, good morning.
Not touching that for a minute.
Lefta said, hey, I just stepped in. Why do you live in the Twilight Zone? because of the way that the politics have been going on lately. 10 seconds till the bell here. Actually, should be any second now. There we go. I started. Never set my midnight open price yet. And we just missed that potential chance.
Like YM's pulling down a little bit now. Gold's going up. YM's coming down. I don't have too much confidence in a short on YM not right now yet.
Might just turn around and go higher, eh?
Yeah. But there are a lot of orders down at the 100 level. And they just disappeared.
Printing a green candle out of the gate there. Kind of. Oh, sorry, that's gold.
Yeah, I was going to say, now this candle's still red.
My bad.
Oh, good. Nobody's mad at you. Not yet. Don't mess with me here. Trying to make money today, not lose it. All right, looking at the book map, I got, wow. YM's just being kind of silly today. It's got orders directly above it, directly below it, and it's a little, looks like it's just gonna go sideways for a few. Glad I put that 42 minis on.
420 minis. Darren, morning. I'm up and running on my Project X to Tradeovate accounts. So you got they're working and you've switched them over, I guess. I switched mine over, but they weren't working yet yesterday. Like I couldn't place any orders on them.
They got 3 minis in on a long on YM right now.
Nice.
Locked in 120 bucks. Figures I do that, starts coming back down. I just added one more mini to it, locking in 150.
Nice.
Locking in 195. All right, I made $195 on that trade.
Beautiful.
Glad I locked that in as it's coming down now.
Yeah, no doubt. You did a test trade already, and it's all up and running for you. Nice.
All right.
Oh, Darren says it's better to trade on TradingView because you don't have to look at two screens now. Yeah, totally. That's 100%
Totally.
true. So we're 6:38, so we got 7 minutes to the 50-minute opening range.
The 3-minute on YM, everything's looking bearish. There are a bunch of orders below the current price right now. And the CVD is negative 1400.
Yeah, we got negative 4,700 here on NQ. Up 800 on the 150K account, Keith. Good job. Nice.
That up.
That was some nice minis, obviously. Nice mini trade. One micro silver. No way. Wow, Keith, you're a maniac. I forgot that you're just trading metals now, so that makes sense.
It's,
Good for you.
Some baller shit right there.
Yeah. One micro, hey? Wow. Gotta love it. Hey, Tim, good morning. Yeah, I've been looking like trash. Hey Darren, the 15-minute on ES.
Now all the orders are coming on up above on YM.
Yeah, so I'm not going to activate that TPT account. I'm going to keep working on these evals until I can get them all finished or passed or lost, one or the other. Hopefully passed. They're all about 500, a little less than 500 or less away from passing. So.
All right, I got a 5 mini long on YM right now. Just locked in 250.
Nice. Nice recovery candle there.
Locking in 500.
5 minis, eh? Whoa. Throwing heavy this morning.
Yeah, I'm trading a larger account.
Nice.
Locking in 750.
I'm going to grab some coffee.
Do it.
All right. Mag 7 gapped up, but then pulled back pretty hard on the first two candles. Now it's curling up a bit still.
I made my 750 on that.
You got stopped out in that pull back there?
I should have taken profits way earlier on that. I was up like 1750.
Oh, shoot. Well, still a nice W, but yeah. So we got 6 viewers this morning. Darren, Keith, Tim, Lafta, and Pedro, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 anyways. We got 6 in there. Somebody else is in there.
All right, our opening range is set. YM is 88.50 up to 270, 269. Yeah, 270. See what gold is doing today. Well, it's not looking great, but
Yeah, for some reason my top one feature says order rejected. Okay, still. What the heck's going on? I went in, I signed all their contracts and everything. That's signed.
silver's back up at 109.
Wow.
Gold's at 5,065 right now. There are a bunch of orders coming on up above current price. But for some reason, it's still pulling down.
Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on. Hey, Darren, I can't seem to trade my accounts there on Tradeabate. Top one futures accounts. And now they're not fresh accounts either, eh? Now it reflects the amount that it had in originally. Did your accounts got moved over? Did they stay like the same amount, or did they reset them? If you're in the money. I'm just pulling back a bit more, eh?
A little bit, but there are orders up at the 200 level. Not a whole lot underneath the current price. It pushes through these orders up at 200. I'm going to take another long probably.
Yeah.
Just based on the book map. Glad I didn't take that long, just pulled right back. Just gonna toy with this price for a little while.
Darren said, I have not taken a proper trade, but the same value carries over from Project X. The quick test trade worked though. Yeah, see, like I can't even place an order. It says order rejected for some reason. No problems with your live Tradeabate? After? Yeah, it's probably because I migrated these accounts from top one features over.
All right. Taking that YM long, locked in $40. It's 4 minis. Locking in 80.
Nice.
Get a target up at 328 right now, so locking in 500. Adding 2 more minis. Locked in 250. Don't pull back on me. I made 250 on that
Yeah,
one.
me too. Shoot, you know what? I had basically almost passed the rest of those accounts on that trade, and then it like hit 53,000, and then I was like gonna click close trade, and then it pulled back, and I was like, okay, well, let me just wait. It'll get back to that price again, and it didn't. It just pulled all the way back down to the entry. Well, I think I locked in like $100 or something. That's
all right. You trading a mini?
Yeah, I added to it also. I went 1 mini and I added 1 mini on the move up. I was in at 08 and I added at 18. Shoot, man. That sucks. So these guys are now 300 away from passing.
That's not bad. Like gold's pulling down now too. Silver seems to be pulling down. Gold's pulling down. Did we have some good news today or something?
Maybe because they're talking about making a deal with U.S. natural gas's futures extend losses, price down 10% as output slowly returns and demand declines.
How was nat gas demand declining in February in the U.S.?
Yeah, it's weird, hey?
That makes no sense to me. People start heating their homes with coal now. Actually, we're burning whale blubber like a bunch of Eskimos now. So on the 5-minute chart on YM, we had a double bottom down at 1117 and then another double bottom at 178. Price pulled back down on this 5-minute candle to 182 and then started to bounce up off it.
Yeah, I see that.
But there's still orders down at the 140 level. CVD still negative 1200.
Lefty said winter storm brings warnings about heart attack risk of shoveling snow.
It's a thing. Warm up before you shovel your snow.
Yeah, no doubt.
It's
for those of the people who aren't very active, that's for sure.
Oh yeah.
They're one workout per year.
Yeah,
wow,
and last workout of the year. What was that?
NQ's going crazy. Up above pre-market high, or yeah, London high.
NQ's got orders up at the 100 level, 408 orders. So, you know, just a couple.
Just a couple.
Just a couple, 2-tree. And it doesn't look like all algo orders either. Interesting.
So the CEO of NVIDIA was just talking about how there's going to be a shortage of 70% of the types of stuff that they need in a number of years. Austin was playing it on ASFX. Looks like we're getting news here in 10 seconds. U.S. CBD confidence.
It's pulling NQ down a little bit, but
not a big market mover. Tapped into those orders on 140 YM. I got the feeling that we're just gonna like play around down here now on YM for a while. Keith is so close to passing his 50K. I don't know if you saw that in the Discord channel there. I think it's like less than $100. I can't remember exactly what it was though. So he locked his account out yesterday because he didn't want to risk forcing it, right? Good choice.
Don't force it. Don't force it. Start forcing it, then you go on tilt. You try and make the money back that you lost, and then you lose more.
End up putting yourself down 500.
Yeah. It's like we've done this couple, 2-3 times.
A couple times.
It's like NQ is bouncing up a little bit.
Yeah.
Think it's going to make it up to that 100 level?
Mag 7 turned really bullish, but now it's actually recovering a bearish candle, holding a bullish fair value gap. So YM's looking a little bit lower. Oh, $21 away. That's why he locked it out.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah. Good choice.
It's one of those ones. Just got to sneeze to get it up a little. Yeah, be patient and wait for a great setup for that, just so you can guarantee a couple more bucks.
All right, I'm in an NQ long now. Looking for that 100 level.
Yeah, we do have all those orders up there. Got some orders at 74, 70, sorry. 70, 80, and 100.
Two minis on this one.
Oh,
Locked in $100. All right. Took 150 on that one.
nice. YM's dumping right now through the bottom of those lows.
You is as well. Silver's pushing up off that 106 level. Not taking that trade.
No.
It's been going down for far too long for me to get long on that.
Right? Let's see what NQ does here. Is it going to just push straight back through this fair value gap and head lower?
YM's got all the orders underneath now. That order's down at 50 at 49,000.
It's looking like a short at the moment, that's for sure.
I mean, if you're following the trend since market open, yeah, it's looking like a short. I don't want to catch it down here at low a day, though. On the 5-minute, there's a bearish fair value gap that's printing at 137.
We got 7 people in the channel. Keith was here earlier, but no, yes, he was. Yeah, I was like thinking if he was the 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 viewers in the chat that say what's up, everybody. Well, whoever else is here. Oh, there's a train going by.
I was just gonna ask if that was one of your sound effects or if you're close to a train. Ooh, we got a big sell volume ball. 3 of them in a row on gold.
Oh.
And now some big buy volume balls. What is going on here? I can't get into anything now.
Right. Seems like patience a little bit here for a few minutes.
Yeah.
Let these prices decide.
Let the news shake out whatever the heck is going on here. NQ still got those orders up at 100.
Yeah, and it got a little bit thinner at the 70s, but then it came back on. It looks like
ES has orders up at 7,010, 397 of them. No algos. Okay, now 400.
nice recovery on that pullback there. It's too bad. It should have bought that fair value gap. It touched on the 9 EMA and in that fair value gap and then just reversed. That was what, 24 points.
What are you looking at, NQ?
NQ, yeah. Volume's increasing. 12 seconds on this candle.
Got my NQ long in. You just wants to mess with me now.
And he's bouncing around there at the 60s.
Yep. I was expecting it to hit that $100 or that 100 level, but with all these orders down at 44 or 43, it's making me a little nervous.
Mm-hmm. I'm long at 65 also. Thinking about cutting this if I get back up even here. Hold that 60s. Come on, boys.
Stop playing around with me, NQ.
Yeah. Not being very nice right now.
No, it is not.
Let's go green for a second. Let's go green.
That would be lovely.
Just for a little bit.
Give me like 30 seconds of green.
Come on, guys. Hold that up. Here we go. Come on, let's go. A little more.
Keep
Go
pushing.
Go green.
Candle needs to turn green. Now.
Damn it. Getting a little worried. I might just cut this guy here pretty quick. Down about $100. Come on, here we go. Bounce it. Everybody blow on the screen. Help us out here. Get up there. Go, go, go. Damn. Let's go. Get going. Had a moment to get out there with a small winner, but that was too slow.
Buyers are fighting to take control right now.
Yeah.
Back at that 60 level. Not asking for much here. Just a, 30-point pop-up.
I'm okay with 10.
Book map is absolutely going crazy right now.
Okay, I'm locked in profit slightly. Might get stopped, but I didn't like it anymore. Too stressful, that one.
This
Of
is a
course,
little
no.
bit stressful for
There
me.
we go. There we go. Shit. Anyways, I stopped out so that it could go for you.
Oh, is that how that's going to work today?
Well, you know, every time I drag it in and stop it out, it always tends to go higher. So
Well, I appreciate that. Thanks for looking out for me.
there you go. Come on. Rip it.
It's a fun game, isn't it?
Yeah. Bunch of orders at 75 and 80 though. 185 and 151.
It's the only reason I haven't closed this yet.
Should be able to get those.
Now, if it just keeps going in this direction. No, you're going the wrong way.
There we go. It's gonna break out now. Or...
I was hoping. Not loving the price action, but I do love the orders on the book map.
Yeah. It's
80,
in a
100, 75.
There you go. It's pushing up there.
I had $1,000 of risk on here. I'm gonna move it up to 250.
Tap those 75.
So the gap fills at 75.
61. Got some old equal highs up at 26,122. I am still pushing down. ES is hanging out similar to NQ right now.
I'm out of this.
All right. Yeah, we rejected off those orders at 75. And then we got a sell ball down at 55.
I'll take my $150 loss and be okay with it.
It's not the end of the world. Very manageable. Might get a deeper pullback into that fair value gap again here. So, probably a good choice to cut it where you did.
can't believe how sideways gold is right now.
I'm not sure why my account's not working with Top 1 Futures.
Put in an order ticket.
Yeah.
Gold is now playing with previous days of VWAP. It's above the opening range, just bounced off of the previous days of VWAP and started coming down. Looks like it's been in a downtrend since about 5 this morning.
That YM, yeah.
No,
Shay's
gold.
Anatomy. Oh, gold, sorry. Shay's Anatomy, good morning. And may our plans work out. Yeah, 100%. Been verified. Signed my contracts. So I don't know what's going on with those accounts. But the ticket's open. Wow, YM all the way down to the lows here. Gold is above the New York and above the start of day VWAP and previous day VWAP. But like you said, it's been in a bearish move all day. We have a guy named Randy Baines on as a guest one day. Oh, that's a good idea. We should try to get him on as a guest, eh? Just have to get him to hop on maybe after he's off the stream with those guys. He's not on today though. He's too big for us now, Jordan. Sorry.
That's about it.
I think YM's going to go all the way to previous day low. There you go. Initial balance is set now, guys. Everybody. We're at 49.64 and previous day low is 48.838. It's quite a ways down there.
It might. There are orders down there.
I'm just trying to look at like what could be our target if we're gonna go lower. I mean, 49,000 is kind of like the candle body low of previous day, like yesterday's pre-market. So maybe if we get a bounce up to 49,135 area, get a rejection there, maybe we'll head down towards the 49,000.
YM shorts do look tempting, but low of day was at 38. CBD is at negative 3,500.
Yeah, we kind of need a bounce at least before a short entry.
5 minute chart. We got a bearish fair value gap. Starts at 135.
Yeah, I was looking at the 15-minute time frame. We got it's at 109 is the bottom of that fair value gap, like 110 to 150 on the 15. Pretty big gap though. NQ's trying to go a little higher here.
Oh, YM just can't make its mind up today.
Oh, there we go. NQ finally made that bounce higher there. Sort of trying to take the highs. Took out the rest of those orders at, did we get to 80 there? 79.50. Kind of took out all those orders, or they pulled them one or the other.
Yeah, YM starting to get a little froggy now.
Little ribbit.
Yep. Got my long end at 90, locking in $30. How are the Mag 7 doing right now? I took 30 holdout hairs on that trade. Yay.
It's a green one.
This is just stupid today.
Yeah, it's quite the pullback there.
I generally look at YM to be the predictable one. Silver's still sitting at that 107.50 level. Gold's at 5,079.50.
The four indices are a mixed bag of nuts before FOMC day. Yeah, I left a total mixed bag.
Mixed bag of nuts. That's how
Nuts and
people
bolts.
describe me and Dave. I think I might be calling it an early day today.
Not a bad idea.
I have no clear vision of what's to come. My psychic powers have taken a little vacation. Indices aren't playing nice today.
Not really.
Gold's starting to not look horrible, but not looking horrible isn't reason enough to take a trade on it now.
Yeah.
There are a bunch of orders if you can handle the drawdown up over 5,095. That's one hell of a loud keyboard you have there.
Yeah, sorry about that.
I'm not mad about it. I'm just noticing. You go ahead and clickety-clack away there, buddy.
Very funny, eh? Okay, they want me to make a screenshot for them so they can see that my account's not working. Oh, it worked now.
It works now?
Yeah.
Is that what you said? Perfect.
I guess when they said, "Oh yeah, it's good to go. Just try it now." I tried it and then it didn't work. Now, can I copy them?
I know all my top one accounts I can copy on Trade-Evade.
Yeah, I won't be able to copy them because they do still have a different rule about the daily loss limit. Because I just tried to copy it and it said order rejected. But individually, I'm able to put one order.
You should be able to copy your Ignite accounts, your straight to funded accounts, and your Pro Plus accounts all in separate baskets, so you can copy trade them that way.
So which account was this one? This one's not working. 50694. Wow, there goes YM, hey? I definitely sold that too early.
Did it start ripping up or down?
Up, yeah. Put in a nice, how many point candle? 112 to 150, a nice 40 something point candle.
Why couldn't I have been in on that one?
Yeah, I know. I sold it. I was long on, I think my average price was around 97, 98. And then I ended up selling it at 111 for a little win.
Take a little right now. That would be nice. Oh, so I put a limit order in on gold at 50.76.50, and it got picked up. So that happened. I'm sorry, it was 50.77.50, not 56. So I just locked in 160 on that one. It's two minis.
Nice. It should be working now. Let's see. Yeah, I think so. Let's see if copy trade's gonna work.
It is.
Yeah, it works. Nice. All right, so I can officially copy trade those two accounts now.
All right, on this gold long, I'm up about $1,200.
Whoa. Gold's just ripping.
It's really not. Locking in 200.
Oh, good thing I noticed I had left an order on YM. Could have been bad.
Uh-oh.
It was a sell order too, like because I was in a position and then I stopped it out, but I didn't hit the exit market cancel.
Oh, yeah. That's not healthy.
So that would have been bad if it picked it up and then continued ripping higher.
Very much like it if gold would just go on a tear straight up now. Can that happen? Somebody make it possible? If anybody's watching and wants to put 500 orders in up at 5110, I'd be appreciative. Get that little bit of a pullback on it. Still up 980. But there are, again, a bunch of orders above the current price, so. I don't remember how much I have locked in, but, excuse me. $200.
Oh, there we go. Randy's finally on with them now on ASFX. Maybe he was having some technical difficulties.
I don't want to hear about Randy's testicle difficulties.
Testicular.
Really need to stop talking about that, Dave. I know you guys are really close, but I don't want to know.
Fair enough.
Right.
I took a 1 micro long on NQ at 26,072, I think, in a bullish for value gap. Pulled back in there. We got about 30 seconds on this candle though, so as long as we don't end up going lower and closing it below, try to hold on to this for a few minutes. Might add in here if we get a little bit deeper into this fair value gap and hold. I'm keeping the size small. This is my Lucid funded accounts here, so
How you doing with those?
not bad. My best account's up at 1,500, so halfway to the payout, I guess. Let's get a green candle here and recover this previous candle that it dumped. That would be nice. We get up to the 80s there. We have a bearish fair value gap that's forming above it. So hopefully we can bounce and erase that.
Gold trade is pretty stagnant right now. It's bouncing between the bullish fair value gap that's down at 80.
Yeah.
And 84. If it could get above 84, I'd add to it because that would be an indication that this uptrend is going to continue. But I don't have a lot of faith in it. Not the way that it's bouncing around right now.
Took a 15-point win on an MES long. Tim, nice job, Tim. Wow. 15 times 5, 50, 75 bucks per contract.
That is a nice trade, my friend.
Come on, NQ. Let's get us a little bounce here. Head back up.
Getting a little bit of volatility on the gold right now. Orders just coming on and coming off the book map.
$48 seconds left on this candle here. Let's keep it going here, NQ. Bounce it up. I'm gonna lock my stop here once we get back to almost to close this candle. We got 10 seconds left here.
All right, gold's starting to push high. Just added 2 minis onto this, locking in $100. See if it continues to go up.
try to take this. I got out there on that trade.
Did what?
I got out on that trade. $25 times 4. Locked it in. Could have waited, but that's okay. I had it a little earlier either, but that's okay. No worries.
You know what? Just a second.
I got to pull back long about 10 points off of ES, like $100, 50 times 2 on 1 micro each. Nice. That's a great job. Good trade. You guys both deserve an applause. Nice trades.
I got my stop loss in on this gold trade. I locked in $400. I am gonna go grab some coffee now. I got no take profit on it, so I don't need to worry about an order getting filled if it does hit my stop loss. I'll be back.
Sounds good. Well, kind of glad I closed that trade where I did there. We did have this bearish fair value gap, so we'd need a closure above, 83. Good. I'm about $85, $90 away from passing one of my TPT accounts. Hey guys, sorry, I gotta make a quick phone call. I'm just gonna mute myself. I'll be right here though.
Well, that wasn't great. That gold trade hit my stop loss, so it took 400.
Sorry about that. I was on the phone. I gotta get a
you're
refill
good.
of coffee here. Oh, there we go. There's an NQ bounce. We inverted that bearish fair value gap. Now we're all the way up at the highs here. Yeah, price is moving pretty slow.
Unfortunately. I think I'm gonna call it now.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's 11 o'clock. Volume starting to dry up a little bit. And I'm not seeing anything that's really enticing me to take a long or a short.
Fair enough.
So I'm gonna get out of here and leave you to it.
Yeah, I'm kind of leaning to end the stream here at 8:30 anyways, so I'll hang out for a bit with the boys.
Do so. I will see everybody tomorrow morning. Thank you all for joining us.
Yeah.
And you have a lovely, lovely afternoon.
Thanks.
I guess it's morning for you. All right. See you tomorrow.
See ya. All right, just passed another eval, guys. So far I've got 2 of my 5 take profit trader evals passed. The rest of them are real close. I stopped trading them. I'm trading one at a time right now to kind of get them over the threshold. So looks like I got about 210 in one account left, 215 in the other account, and 215 in the other account. So let's see here. Let's edit my copy accounts. So the one I need to remove now is 7482. 7482. Get this guy out of there. So 720094921. 921 0947. Yeah, so 2 of my 5 evals are passed there. Take profit trader evals. Gold's just ripping up higher now, guys. Nine two one 94 2194 and 20. 2194 20. Okay. Pretty slow always during leading up to FOMC, I guess. Kind of like not a whole lot of price action, indecision, a lot of indecision. Slow going right now. Not a whole lot to look at. Gold's going up. NQ ES looking pretty solid here. I did buy that last. Made a little bit of money here on this entry. Could have been a little more patient on it though. Just entered at the top of this fair value gap. Sold it up here. Left about 50% of this move. 84, 97, another 13 points. So I made about 14 points, and then it's up another 15 points from there. Anybody in a trade right now in the chat, you guys? Gold's kind of heading back all the way up to pre-market high here. We'll have to keep an eye on it to see if we kind of break this and then retest and go start looking like we're going to go higher. So I did jump in along there on gold, 1 micro, currently up, stops locked in profit here. This is in my TPT evals. Hope we can get a nice little break above here, head up to these highs. Okay. Just leave this here. I mean, it might end up pulling back now and stop me out. Hopefully not. Yeah, it looks like it. That was too quick to be able to get any reaction there. Should we cancel that? Well, that's too bad. Whipped right up there, broke the pre-market high and rejected instantly. It came all the way back down. Now it's going back up, of course, after it momentarily stopped me out. Damn, that's too bad. Typical. Rejected off the 100 level there. I'm gonna add my accounts, my new top 1 Future Trade of 8 accounts here. trying to connect it to sync it, but it doesn't want to work. So give it some more time here. Gold bounced off that 5100 and it's headed back down now. New 5-minute candle there. What do we got? 8:22 here, so or 11:22, I should say, East Coast. Probably gonna wrap it up here in about at 8:30. Don't want to waste too much time today. Just the market's not that clean. Not horrible, but not that clean. This is typical though of leading up to FOMC. So what do I got left here to make? So I need to make 210 in that one. 220, 215 in that one. And 215 in that one. So I can make 215 bucks with the copy trader. That'd be nice. Don't rush it. Well, again, a pullback here on NQ. Gold is not really doing a whole lot. I don't know what's going on here, guys. Markets, gold's popping here a little bit back up to the highs. I was thinking about taking a long down at the 90s. But sort of undecided, so all right, got a new candle here on gold. Pushed up a little bit. Let's see if they can get over the 1500s with a nice closure. I can see it's moving higher with that. But until we get up above 5100, pretty hard to take a long. 830 candle here. Not seeing a whole lot of action here, guys. So, I think we'll just end the stream here. We got 3 people in the chat. Thanks for everybody who did show up today. Darren, Tim, Lafta, Jordan, Shay's Anatomy, Keith. Can't forget about Keith and Pedro. Keith is really close to passing one of his evals and made a nice win earlier, 800 in his 100K accounts. So, yeah, thanks everybody for tuning in. We'll be back live tomorrow morning for Market Open. Tomorrow's FOMC, so you got to be careful tomorrow. It's going to be pretty choppy during the morning, and then in the afternoon, we're going to have, the FOMC volatility. So be careful. Let's just see what time is things checking out tomorrow. So FOMC is at 2 p.m. So yeah, so be careful, everybody, and have a great day. Hopefully you're green, and we will be back live tomorrow. So we'll see you then. Peace out, everybody. Have a good day.